Last day of celebration. It has just been so wonderful last 10 days, coordinating this Aarti and almost sad. Almost sad. Today we are ending the celebration. But we'll make sure we'll come back next year. And of course, every Tuesday we have a puja here. Most of you know, you are all regulars here. Every first Tuesday of the month, we have 7:30 puja, so please come back again. And would like to thank, a big thanks to all of our wonderful devotees. It wouldn't have been possible without you guys. Really, I had such a pleasure coordinating the Aarti with all the Aarti families. I'm sorry, I cannot take all the names, but you know who you are. And yeah, I want to thank a lot of for our really hard-working volunteers. Just to take few names: Maluste family, Rane family, Shah family, Varun, Ramkrishna, and a lot of them have really helped us all these 10 days. And of course, last but not least, Shilpa and Sarang for making this temple available for us to conduct such a celebration in this way. Big thanks to Shilpa and Sarang. Okay? If I'm forgetting anyone, please forgive me. I don't mean to do that. But a big thanks to all of you for being here today and being with us last 10 days. Thank you all. Heartfelt thanks from myself. Thank you.
And my special thanks to Namita and Krishna. This would not have been possible on the first day of puja also. I forgot few names because of the excitement, and this place is kept in this pristine condition no other than Lorenzo. So big thanks to Lorenzo. And the manicured garden is maintained by our very devoted gardener who also helps me with the decoration and anything, and he is artist in his own way. So the Geronimo tomb and every possible aches and breaks this building goes through is maintained by Lalo, our handyman. So this place cannot have AC without him or the projector without him. So very thankful to have all these people in our extended family. So today is the last day, but we enjoyed getting together so much, and we got so close in these 10 days and chit-chatting and getting to know each other at even closer level, that we decided that we can't just end in these 10 days. And now the Navratri is coming up, so we decided to do the Aarti for those 9 days, not at this grand level. Because, oh no, we can't just go away saying bye and just meet next year. No, we have to, plan more Aartis. So we will be starting Aartis 7 o'clock on weekdays or 6:30, because Namita needs to go to other Devi temple, so to accommodate her, yeah, and I have to accommodate Namita, yes. This temple doesn't run without Namita. So 6:30 on weekdays and 5 o'clock on weekends. We will be having a Devi Aarti here, and not so much elaborate prasad, just sweets and fruits. I have to control everybody. Okay, no more. We don't want to coordinate food. It just became, very overwhelming. And most of the ladies told me that they fast. So to accommodate them also, and not to tempt them with all this delicious food you all make. So we will be just offering Devi some sweets and fruits mostly. So would like all of you ladies and families to join us from 25th of September onwards. And we will end on the day of Dasera, we will have our last Aarti. So for those 9 to 10 days, we are going to come together again and, be part of this temple celebration. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shilpa. And really, I need to tell you guys, with all those prasad and everything, God knows what all I have been eating, I put on 5 pounds. I'm not kidding what went on with you guys, but that's why we are going to keep it a little simple during our Navratri celebrations. We'll keep it very, very simple, trust me. And then now, we'll get back to our Aarti and Prasad sponsors for today. Shah family, Talati family, Desai family, Murdeswar family, Kaur family, Purohit family, Singh family, and Vejia, Cherkori. Yes. Alright. Now we request all of you to come up onto the altar here, and then we'll take care of our Aarti. I really am going to miss this tomorrow onwards. I have to figure out what I'm going to do around that time. Okay. Alright guys, please come over. And it's been really, really wonderful. Trust me, you guys have been really awesome. Thank you all the devotees.